In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Zoom recordings on a Windows computer, specifically focusing on local recordings stored directly on your device. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're looking to review a meeting you conducted or participated in, and need to locate those files quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Zoom desktop application on your Windows computer. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in and have the app open, look towards the top menu. You'll see several options there. You want to select the Meetings tab. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, you'll find an option called Recorded. Clicking on Recorded will open a new section where all your recordings are listed. This area offers a centralized location for all your sessions, making them easily accessible. Here, you can scroll through to locate the particular recording you're interested in. When you've found the one you need, simply click on the Open button. This action will open the folder right on your desktop, containing all files related to that specific recording. Inside this folder, you'll typically find several different file types. The most common ones include video files, which are usually in the .mp4 format, audio files formatted as .mp4a, and chat or text files with a .txt extension. Each of these files serves a unique purpose and can be useful depending on what you're looking for. Whether it's the video for a visual recap, the audio for listening, or the text for a detailed review of the conversation, everything you need is right at your fingertips. For your convenience, the app will also display the folder path, which is the location of these files on your computer. You might find it helpful to jot down or remember this path for future reference. By default, Zoom saves these files to a specific location on your computer. You'll find them under the directory. See Users, followed by your computer's username. Then, continue through to Documents and into the Zoom folder. Within the main Zoom folder, each meeting you have recorded will be stored in its own subfolder. These subfolders are neatly organized by the meeting title and date, which makes it straightforward to find the exact meeting recording you're searching for. This organized setup not only keeps things tidy, but also makes navigating through your files faster and more intuitive. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to locate your Zoom recordings saved locally on your Windows computer. By following these steps, you can access, review, and utilize your meeting recordings whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!